Former Newport News police officer will now face federal charges. Investigators accuse Raheem Askew of raping an intoxicated woman while on duty in March. Local prosecutors have dropped their charges, allowing federal authorities to take over. Leila Cox is in the studio with the latest developments on this. Leila.
Yeah, Dana, the allegations haven't changed much since police first arrested Askew in March. What's different is the charge and the court handling the case.
Former Newport News police officer Raheem Askew is once again facing criminal charges, this time in federal court. Federal investigators say the case stems from March when Askew responded to reports of an intoxicated woman found lying in a shopping center parking lot. According to court documents, the woman agreed to let Askew drive her to her hotel. Before leaving, Askew turned off his body camera in violation of department policy, helped her to her room, and later admitted to having sex with her. The woman told investigators she did not remember the encounter and did not consent. State records show Askew's original rape charge ended June 30th through a court procedure known as no pros.
It's not a dismissal with prejudice. It's simply saying that we're no longer moving forward with this case at this time. It does not mean that the case can't be brought back under most circumstances.
Legal expert Ed Booth tells 13 News Now that doesn't mean a defendant has been found guilty or not guilty. He says it means state prosecutors chose not to move forward with the case. One day after the state case was dropped, federal authorities arrested Askew on a federal charge. Booth says instead of prosecuting the case as a rape under Virginia law, federal prosecutors allege Askew deprived the woman of her constitutional rights while under the act of law.
Effectively, that's what happened here, because the allegation is that a police officer, while acting in the course and scope of his authority as a law enforcement officer under color of state law, committed a crime, and there is a specific federal statute that identifies that crime and acting in the course and scope of your authority. It then becomes federal jurisdiction.
For Askew, his fate is now in the hands of the U.S. federal court system. Leila Cox, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks, Leila. And Askew remains in federal custody as the case moves forward.